Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Today, we're talking about something that looks like sci-fi but is getting real fast. Humanoid robots from a company called Figure AI. I mean, real, walking on two legs robots that can pick up things, fold laundry, and talk back to you.
Garments are secure. Shall we proceed with the bio-refresh cycle now?
Sounds wild, right? Stick around. We'll unpack what they do, what they can't do yet, how schools and businesses might use them, and whether you should be excited or a little nervous. And if a robot ever steals your socks, don't say I didn't warn you. Missing socks are already a mystery, now the machines want in on it too. Okay, so I've been reading a bunch of articles and reviews about Figure AI's robots. Reviewers from places like IEEE Spectrum, TechCrunch, Time, TechRadar, and NVIDIA's blog have written about them, and I'll be pulling from those stories. The short version, Figure has built 3 main robot models over a few years. Think about them like phone versions. Figure 01, the first prototype, Figure 02, much improved, and Figure 03, designed for home use. Each one gets better at moving, seeing, and using hands. Why it matters to you? Because these robots show where robots are going. In factories, in homes, and into restaurants and labs. This is the tech that's going to change how we do physical work. Imagine this, a machine that can walk like you, pick up a plate, and listen to a short instruction. Sounds simple, but make no mistake, it's very, very hard. That's the mystery. How do we get a big metal human to interact, assist, and not break anything? Here's what I found. Figure 01, the first one. Big, experimental, showed people that humanoid walking and basic manipulation is doable. Figure 02, upgraded with better hardware, better hands, 5 fingers, more cameras, stronger computers like extra powerful GPUs, and a link to big AI models so it can talk and understand better. This one was tested in factories. Articles noted tests at places like BMW. Figure 03, the home-focused design. Softer skin, palm cameras in the hands, tactile fingertips that can actually feel light things, and wireless charging. This is the closest to something you might imagine in a house. Now, let's break it down. What can these humanoid robots actually do right now, and what kind of tech make all this even possible? First off, movement. These bots walk on 2 legs like us. That's called bipedal mobility. They're not sprinting like Usain Bolt, but they can move, balance, and navigate a room without falling flat on their face. That's no small feat. It takes thousands of calculations every second to stay upright. Then there's their ability to use hands. Those 5-fingered hands and tactile sensors mean they can pick things up, fold laundry, open doors, even stack objects. Slowly, carefully, but accurately. And here's the advanced tech part. They learn by watching. Instead of coding every move, engineers can demonstrate a task, say folding a towel or pouring a drink, and the robot learns to mimic it. It's called imitation learning, and it's exactly how humans learn too. Under the hood, these aren't just big metal mannequins. They're powered by serious tech. Vision systems with high-res cameras and depth sensors, like those in self-driving cars, brains built on NVIDIA RTX GPUs, and heavy-powered batteries that keep them running for hours before a recharge. Oh, and thanks to their partnership with OpenAI,
based on these projections, I think we should finalize the budget for the next quarter.
I understand. I have analyzed the data and concur with your assessment.
they can now understand spoken commands, also understand context, and even hold a basic conversation while they work. Imagine asking your robot to clean the table, and it politely reminds you that you left your coffee mug there. So yes, these machines can walk, talk, and learn, but they're still cautious and a bit slow. All this robot talk has me imagining things. Now, let's imagine this. You're at Paris Fashion Week. The lights dim, the crowd goes silent, and down the runway comes a humanoid robot, head held high, walking perfectly in rhythm, dressed head to toe in Louis Vuitton. It strikes a pause, cameras flash, the audience cheers. Then suddenly, the robot freezes and does an awkward, mechanical 360-degree full spin. This is a wild idea. Let's hope it doesn't get to this, but hey, maybe this is what happens when machines start doing too much. The business side, why companies are buying. But behind the glamour and memes, there's serious business thinking. Companies see humanoid robots in 2 ways, displacement and augmentation. Displacement means robots take over repetitive, risky, or heavy jobs, lifting engine parts, sorting packages, or working in unsafe environments. Augmentation, on the other hand, means robots assist humans. Think of a robot holding tools or components while a human does the precision work. Why are companies investing billions here? Simple: productivity, safety, consistency, and let's be honest, a touch of PR magic. Having a humanoid on your factory floor makes for great headlines and even better stock photos. BMW and other manufacturers have already begun testing this idea. And if these things ever hit consumer prices, homeowners will buy for the same reason we all do: feelings. Not just convenience, but emotional value. More time for family, less back pain, no more late-night dish duty. Now, let's get serious for a moment. Because once robots enter our homes, they also enter our lives. Privacy. These machines have cameras and microphones everywhere. They learn by watching, meaning they see everything. Even when you sneak the last slice of cheese from your mom's fridge, thinking no one's watching. Now the real question is, who's storing that data? Who controls it? That's a question even experts don't have a full answer to yet. When it comes to safety, they're heavy, strong, and even with emergency stops, accidents can happen. Industrial environments are built for safety, homes aren't. Also, will robots take human jobs? Maybe some, but they'll also create new ones. In robot training, robot maintenance, robot design, the challenge isn't the robot, it's how we adapt. And then comes responsibility. If your robot breaks something, who pays? The maker? The owner? The AI developer? I don't know. Figure isn't alone. Tesla's Optimus, Agility's Digit, and Amptronic's Apollo are all racing towards the same goal: humanoids for real-world use. Each one has a different strength. Some are optimized for factories, some for logistics, and some for home environments. All right, let's address the thought everyone's had by now. Are these humanoid robots about to take over our jobs or our homes? Short answer, not yet. They're impressive, but they're slow, careful, expensive, and prone to the occasional glitches. They represent progress, not replacement. But make no mistake, the revolution is coming gradually, quietly, and powered by thousands of AI algorithms learning to walk, talk, and clean your dishes just a little bit better each year. Here's the takeaway. Figure AI's humanoids aren't sci-fi anymore. They're real, tangible progress. This is a new chapter in robotics. If you're a business, think of them as assistants for the hard stuff. If you're a homeowner, well, just keep watching, because someday soon, you'll want one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dives into tech, and drop a comment. Would you let a humanoid fold your laundry? Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay kind, and hey, keep an eye on your socks.